A Brisbane teenager suffering from a syndrome that feels like her veins are on fire is heading to the US for radical treatment. Also known as suicide disease, Stella Artuso has lived with the excruciating pain for 4 years since she rolled her ankle.
From a quick glance, Stella Artuso looks like any other 16-year-old, happy and healthy. But this is the real Stella. A teenager in horrific pain.
Just feels like someone's drilling through your bones or like you're just on fire all the time.
At 12, Stella was a normal kid until she injured her ankle in a game of touch football.
My life flipped upside down basically from pain.
For most people, the injury would just heal, but for Stella, instead, it triggered her central nervous system to misfire.
It's been really tough. There's nothing worse than watching your child in pain. It's heartbreaking.
It's called complex regional pain syndrome or suicide disease.
She's at times said she doesn't want to go on.
Surgeons thought she was faking it.
I came home crying and just makes you feel like you're going insane.
But the teenager is now living on a concoction of medicines to help mask the symptoms. Desperate to help, her parents have reached out to a neuromuscular centre in America called the Spero Clinic, which has helped 5 other young Australians.
Doing very well, Melinda.
It uses a 10-week holistic approach to restore balance to the central nervous system by working on the critical vagus nerve that stems from the brain to the colon and controls inflammation in the body.
Where reactivating that nerve, waking it up, is massively beneficial to these chronic pain patients.
They've been spurred on by Queensland teenager Romeo Paora, who got CRPS after injuring his knee. Mum Nicky says he too suffered excruciating pain.
He just started crying and said to me, "Mum, if you could get a gun for me," he said, "I can't take the pain anymore."
But after months of treatment at the same clinic, he can now walk, run and play sport again.
I have no pain at all.
While generous family and friends have donated money to help with Stella's recovery, the Artusos still have to remortgage their house and tap into some super to help pay for the treatment, which is going to cost more than $60,000.
We would do anything. We can't not try.
Graduates like Romeo get to ring the bell when they leave the clinic. It's Stella's Christmas wish to do the same. Lexy Hamilton-Smith, ABC News.